Let's make a sports poster in 2 minutes. Let's start with filling our background layer with this gray color, bring in our texture, set the blend mode to multiply, and we'll reduce the opacity. Now let's bring in our player cutout. This is Jonathan Goose Helton of the San Diego Growlers. We're going to give him a gradient map to blend him in a little bit more. Just a simple black to white to reduce those colors. Now let's add some curves. Bring down the midtones, switch it to luminosity. Now we'll invert the mask and then brush back on the parts we want darker. Now on to our text, Jonathan Helton. There's our fake signature. And we'll switch this to Termina Black, San Diego Growlers. Switch this one to Demi, and then let's bring these closer together. We can reduce the size a bit and spread this out just for this look. And bring it a little closer together. Center it on the signature, bring it up. And let's shrink this whole thing down a bit. Back to our background, let's add some white lightness over there. And then also the Growlers logo. We'll drag in here and set the stroke and fill to 0. Just a subtle logo in the corner. And now to finish it off, let's go to our color lookup. Candlelight cube is a good one, 30%. And now let's get some 50% gray so we can add noise and set that blend mode to soft light. And finally, we'll add some bokeh to the background, some nice light particles to finish our design off. We don't need them gold, we'll keep them desaturated. And there you have it. Sports design in 2 minutes.